Hi, I'm here at the yard and I'm here to talk to you about the next phase of the project, which is the testing phase. So during testing, we will be using Fugro sensors, which are due to be installed next week. These will be mounted at two separate points on the vessel, and they'll be used to monitor how the vessel moves in its environment, and we'll use that to collaborate with data that we have on the waves in the local area so that we can see what the vessel response is and what the riser response is during its operation. The sensors were kindly provided by Fugro, and they offer X, Y, Z gyroscope and accelerometers. So using those sensors, we can gather the X, Y, Z gyroscopic data and accelerometer data to look at how the vessel has moved in situ and how the riser and hull have responded to the waves that have hit them. Over 3 months of testing, we should have a really good series of waves hit the vessel at a particularly crucial moment where it's going to be subjected to some fairly extreme weather. And then after that, there's the potential for another 3 months. We'll be looking at slightly calmer environments and allowing us to sort of baseline what those sensors read.